Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this this kind of design with wall panel and a door on door. Okay, so simple. You just open a hole first from here. You open a hole for the door. Okay, just to make sure you do it correctly. So this is the distance roughly there. Okay, this one I give it 1200. Little convenience for me to do measurement. Okay. So you open the hole first, then you just come to this button, custom door and window. Very simple. You can just drag the wall panel from here, Then you see this one called wall panel, correct? Okay, wall panel. Let's find panel. Let's say this one, the flat panel. Okay, never mind. You change the size first. So this one, the white 960, okay, the white, and the height is 2100, same thing. Then this one I make it 0. Cover the door first. Cover the door first. Other than that, you can just drag out. Okay, let's say this one I add another 590 lah. I need 10 for the this one called what the gap. Okay, so I add 590. Okay, and the height I make it lesser lah. This one I make it 800, something like this. Okay, then I Control V, copy another one. Okay, then I add another one. Elevation we move up first, then move up around here. This one is 800, right? So here I make it the height. I make it 810. So I can change here 810, and here I make it 0. Okay, so you can see the panel. This panel I make it different style, different pattern. So maybe I make it 1200. Maybe I make it 1200 plus another 100. Okay. So this is just one of the method. So when you want to move the door, let's say you want to do some sliding door, right? Okay, you can press Z. Move this one inside first a bit. Then you move it on here. Then you exit. So you can see this one can be a sliding door. Okay, like a design. Okay, or you want to move it out back, you press Z. You can move it out back. Okay, like this. Okay, another method, guys. Another method for faster and convenient. If your door are not opening, not plan to open the door, you can just use this method also. Okay, just to show you in case you don't know. Ceiling. Double click on the wall. Okay, so here is usually for ceiling, right? Okay, background wall design, but this one is ceiling. Never mind. We got this one called sheet parameterization, wall panel. In here, you just click on it, change the size as you want, change the pattern you want, also can if you want. Okay, simple as that. Then your wall panel complete. You can try this button and even change material also. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.